Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix battery is not charging to 100% in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you're facing the issue that your battery is not charging up to 100%, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to simply go ahead to your settings, just scroll down, go to battery here, and battery, just scroll down, you must see the battery protection option, click on it, and in battery protection you must see this maximum button. You have to disable battery protection first, or you can select your battery charging limit. For example, if you have selected 90%, so your battery will not be able to charge more than 90%. It will be stuck on 90%. Or if you have selected 100% from here or 95% from here, so your battery will not charge more than to 95. Once your phone will be reached to 95, it will cut your power connection. So I recommend you have to select basic from here, so it will charge your battery up to 100% but will protect your battery life. So you have to enable battery protection and use this basic protection feature from here, so it will not stuck your battery up to 80% or 90%. It will completely charge up to 100% and your Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.